Good day everyone, praise be Jesus and Mary. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to activate your breakout rooms in your Zoom app. So what is Breakout Room? It has a collaborative feature and allows you to split your Zoom meeting in up to 50 separate sessions. The meeting host can choose to split the participants of the meeting into the separate sessions, automatically or manually, and can switch between sessions at any time. So let's get started with this tutorial. On the upper right side of our Zoom portal, we can see our profile. Click it, then Settings. Let's move to View Advanced Features. After a while, sign in to the Zoom web portal as administrator to edit account settings. So we have this Zoom web portal. For us to navigate the breakout room, let's try Ctrl F. So automatically, it will display here. If the setting is disabled, click the toggle to enable it. Your settings have been updated. So let's move to our Zoom app. For example, we already have our Zoom meeting. Let's start. Enter full screen. Okay, so right now we already have our breakout rooms. How does it work? As you can see, we have our breakout rooms here. After a while, mag-a-appear yung ating assign participants into how many rooms. So dahil mag-isa lang po ako, isa lang po yung nakalagay dyan. Automatically and manually, paano mo isa-separate ang mga participants sa kanilang room? Automatically, ibig sabihin, the Zoom app na ang pipili kung sino ang magkakagrupo, at manually naman, kung ikaw mismo bilang teacher ang magsa-separate ng participants or ng iyong estudyante. Right after that, create rooms. Options. Allow participants to return the main session at any time. Breakout rooms close automatically after how many minutes? So I'm going to type 2 minutes. And countdown after closing break room is 60 seconds. And assign. That's all for today, teachers. This has been Teacher Ola. Thank you and God bless.